Casey, nung pinanganak ko siya, so inalagaan ko siya until like 4 years old. And then, yun, umalis ako para magtrabaho, pumunta sa ibang bansa. Nagpalaki sa kanya is yung hipag ko. Ang alam ko lang, pag nagkakausap kami, ayun, mahilig siya sa food, mahilig siya sa mga damit, sa coffee.
She's got a smile that it seems to me.
You've always been that one call away friend, our ride or die, and the ultimate source of endless chika. As we celebrate you today, I hope you take a moment to look back at how far you've come. You've grown so much, not just in age, but in character, pero hindi sa height. Just kidding.
Praying that God will give all the desires of your heart according to His plans and His will. Happy birthday, our Casey. We love you and we are so blessed to have you.
Sweet love of mine.
Hi, Casey. Happy 18th birthday. Tilang may payuking ka, balasang ko. Mag-aral kang mabuti at sana matapos mo yung gusto mong kurso para naman maiangat mo ang pamilya natin, lalo na sa mama mo. Magpakabait ka, lalong-lalo na sa pananampalataya sa Panginoon natin. Happy 18th birthday. I love you.
Pray ko lang na yun, matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo. I love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Hi Casey, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ading. Welcome to the legal age.
I'm so thankful to have you in my life. Thank you tanamos mo managip ko pala di DJ. Nakamatayan taltaan ng DJ. Aso so di nagtapak ka. Hindi yun lang. Nag-peace. Happy birthday, ate. Wish you all the best. I love you so much. Good luck to your next journey.